Nevarro. Nevarro was a volcanic planet located in a sector of the Outer Rim territories. The city on Nevarro was the home base of the Bounty Hunters Guild, which was headquartered inside a cantina. And this time we are getting the playset for the TVZ. Hey guys, back with me, Beno, in my channel. And now I would like to present you the newest release of diorama of the vintage collection. As you already know, this one, the set is coming from the episode final of season 1, The Mandalorian. And it comes in 2 episodes, I think, episode 7 and episode 8. And let's see the figure inside. We are getting the Death Trooper, the Nevarro version. Let's see whether it's different from the previous release of TVZ Death Trooper. Let's open this one. Let's open it from the side. Here we are, already finished opening this, and let's put it down. Here is what's the inside of these boxes, and yeah, that's the instruction. You can see this white instruction nearly everywhere in the TVZ toys. And now we're going to the real instruction. Here, as you can see, there is A, B, C in the wall panel, wall panel shim. And let's see from the back of the instruction, we're going to see like a kind of cupboard. We can turn the cupboard upside and down, or flip it, so we can see whether the place is like destroyed by blaster or come in perfectly shaped condition. And also there's the door. I don't think the door can be sliding. And also some accessories for the water, like the jar. And let's see to the main attraction of this TVZ. And this is the table, guys. You can see the table. And what's inside this, I think I know. The inside of this envelope is the glasses, the jar, etc., you name it, the space glasses. Let's open this one, and here you can see chair, etc., dropping down. Look at this tiny glass of water. There is the yellow jar, the green jar, the broken one. The green is the broken one, and another jar, still the glasses, and space whiskey, the broken one, and another broken jar with some liquid, and only one chair. Where's another chair? I don't think I am getting another chair. And this one, the blue milk that made famous by Fennec-san in the Boba Fett. Look at this blue aqua color of the drink, the bottle. That's quite new in this Star Wars era. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, now we're going to see the space whiskey. And now going to the panel. Here is the small panel. And look at this bigger panel, which is a door, a wall with a door, the cardboard door. So yeah, it's quite thick, so it's not a paper. Then here's a clip to clip it on so it won't fall off whatsoever. You can have two kind of the wall, the opening door or the closed one, but you cannot slide it because it's stuck. There's a place to hold it. This is the Death Trooper. And finally, the main attraction of this diorama is the biggest wall, the broken wall with blaster effect here and there, the S's, and you can unclip it and flip it to make it into the better clean version, undamaged version of this diorama. Quite cool, right? The chair, where's only one? The only one chair. I don't see any chair. I don't know where's the other chair. Look at this. No chair. Just squeeze it. Make sure of it. In the Windows packaging, I see 2 chairs, but there's none. Only one. I don't know. Maybe unlucky me. Wow. Let's move on from the wall. Now we're going to see the Death Trooper, the new Death Trooper, the Nevarro version. What's the differences between the old one? Okay, here I got the old DVZ from the Roach one. Here another closer look of it. The Roach one already cool at that time. We've got Death Trooper, the tall trooper, superior trooper. Here's the back of the card. You can see, let's open it up. He got his blaster, the long one, and pistol blaster. Since he doesn't have any clip, he can hold his pistol. And look at both of them. The difference is the right one, the newest one, might be shinier than the old one. Well, the old one got pauldron with 3 grenades, yeah. So the newest guy doesn't have any pauldron or grenades, and shinier than the rest, the previous version, but still got the exact same of molding and articulation, like the ball jointed and ball jointed hips, ball jointed ankle, and also ball jointed wrist as well. And the differences of the weapon, while the old one got some red in it and we don't have any color in this new gun, so I prefer the old one rather than this new guy. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your attention. You may subscribe me for more video like this, okay? May the force be with you. This is Doi and bye-bye.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Jangan lupa tonton video aku yang lainnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bye-bye.